welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add images to a Squarespace website. So let's get into it. First, what you can do is you can go to squarespace.com and you're gonna log into your account. Select the website you want to edit and it will take you to your website right here. So I want to show you how to add images. You're going to click on edit website and it will open up the editing mode for you. And now we can of course edit everything. First, let's add a completely new section so that I can show you clearly. I'm going to click on add section and it's actually going to be a blank section like this. So we have a section here. Now you're going to click on add block. In add block, select image. So it will add an image right here. Now you're going to adjust the size like where you want the image to be. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add two images right here. So we have our section. Click on add block again, an image. So you can see we have this one and we can place it here. Working with Squarespace is actually really easy and I'm going to adjust the size like this. Now you're going to click on this plus button, click on edit, add an image. We can upload an image, select from library or browse from stock images. So I'm going to click on upload image and upload an image from my computer. The image will be added. You can of course adjust the size. Then we have this one right here. Again, you're going to select, click on edit and again click on add image. This time I will select from the stock. Click on add image and it will be added. This is how you add images to your Squarespace website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.